And so, the brand new season of the English Premier League kicks off tomorrow. And you know the Maverick is not very big on the preseason. We have 9 months of football to look forward to. I don't need to see any pointless practice football. Anyway, my team Liverpool never made much moves in the off-season. We bought one centre-half with our focus being on getting back our players who went down with injury last season. And of course, we take notice of Manchester City and Chelsea and Manchester United all spending big in the window. And it is out of that knowledge that I am still going to predict the top 5 finishers for the season. Unlike other people, I am going to do it before a ball is kicked. Me not have to wait till halfway through the season and then me jump on a wagon. We are calling it before the first whistle is blown. Yes. And with our itch, in 5th place will be Leicester City. In 4th place will be Manchester United. In 3rd place will be Chelsea. And now the top 2. Liverpool will be in 2nd place and Manchester City will win the league again. And I'm not sure me a show off. But the goat mouth is active. Yes, see the picture. Yeah. See the pictures. Yeah. Yes. City for the prediction. But see the real team. Yeah, see the thing. See the thing how it look.